Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the device so the reset and backup go smoothly. Make sure your iPhone is charged or plugged in and connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Update iOS first because backups and restores work best on the latest version. Go to Settings, General Software Update. Sign into iCloud with your Apple ID so settings and data sync. Once done, open Settings to begin the first actionable step. Trigger an iCloud backup manually before you reset the phone. Now you create and verify backups so nothing is lost during the reset. In Settings, tap your name, then iCloud Backup and choose Backup Now. You need enough iCloud space, so manage storage if required. For a local copy, connect to a Mac or PC and make an encrypted backup in Finder or iTunes. Encryption preserves passwords and health data. Once the backup completes, check the date and included items, photos, messages, and health so you know the restore will contain what you need. Finish by erasing and then restoring your iPhone with confidence. Go to Settings, General Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Erase all content and settings to start the factory reset. This removes data and settings. After the phone restarts, follow Setup and choose Restore from iCloud Backup or Restore from Mac/PC if you made a local backup. Make sure you sign back into your Apple ID. If a restore fails or the device is stuck, try recovery mode on a computer. If activation lock or errors continue, contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.